It's time for another episode of Dashcam Diaries. Public service announcement. It's fall again, which means one thing. It's buying time. That's right. It's not really the best time to sell your house, although it's not bad because it's still a seller's market, but homes are sitting on the market, okay? So if you're wanting to buy a home in the next year, but you've been nervous because you keep hearing about bidding wars and competition and, people putting 5 offers in on a house and not getting one, well, that's over for now. But you know what? It's going to start again next spring. Unless something dramatic happens where the economy tanks from now until then. Our inventory is still low. Demand is still high. Interest rates are still good. So people will be buying like crazy next spring. Don't wait until everybody else does. My favorite time to buy, and it's when we bought our home, September, October, November. So if you want to give me a call and talk to me more about it, you can reach me on my cell phone anytime. Shoot me a message on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, WhatsApp, whatever. Just give me a call. Thanks, guys.